Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tech with the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G Champions Edition. This sleek and powerful smartphone is packed with features that are sure to impress. First off, let's talk about the design. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G Champions Edition sports a minimalist look with a sleek metal frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the back and front. It's incredibly thin, making it easy to hold in one hand. Under the hood, you'll find Qualcomm's Snapdragon 778G processor, which promises fast performance and seamless multitasking. And with 8GB of RAM, you can run multiple apps simultaneously without any slowdowns. But what really sets this phone apart is its camera system. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G Champions Edition boasts a whopping 108MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens for capturing those tiny details that make all the difference. Plus, there's also a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. And let's not forget about the battery life. With a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity, you can expect up to 2 days of power on a single charge, perfect for those long weekends away from home or office. Plus, it supports up to 67 West wired charging and up to 50 West wireless charging. Talk about convenience. So there you have it, folks. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G Champions Edition is a powerhouse in size and performance that's sure to impress anyone who loves their tech gadgets. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more tech news and reviews, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this one. Until next time, happy exploring!